In this video, we're going to work on addition facts and addition tricks. So if we have a problem like this one that says add 9 plus 5 equals blank, you might remember what 9 plus 5 equals. It would be an addition fact, what 9 plus 5 equals. But if you don't, you could use a number line. So imagine yourself at 9 and advancing forward. So when you're adding numbers, numbers will get bigger and you move this way on a number line. If you're subtracting, numbers will be getting smaller and you'll be moving this way on the number line. For this problem, we have an addition problem, so we will be moving this way. So you might remember what 9 plus 5 is, but if you don't, you could just imagine yourself standing at 9 and then advancing 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you end up here at 14. And that's the answer. That's the addition fact for 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. Another way to do this is to use a trick. So what you could do is, again, imagine yourself at 9 and then add 1. And when you add 1 to 9, you get 10. That's another addition fact. So now, if you have 10 here and you add 4, it's easier to imagine adding 4 to 10 to get the answer of 14. So here you have 5 total. Okay? And eventually you'll be able to do this in your head without having to do this on a number line. But we do it this way right now so that you could picture it and then it becomes easier to remember. So now we could just put in the answer to 9 plus 5 equals 14. And that's the end of this problem. And don't worry if you didn't understand this right away. You could rewatch the video, or you could take a look at the description below. There's links to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra help. So make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.